You guys have seen the fried plantain and fish, so now I'm about to cook the jollof rice. One thing I love about jollof rice is the fact that you can add your own twist into the recipe. The recipe is very simple, but you can add your own twist into it and make it to the way you want it, and it always tastes delicious. So here I have my chicken and I have some ingredients there in the blender that I'm blending. I have pepper, garlic, rosemary, thyme, just different seasoning I'm blending together, and I'm going to use that to steam the chicken. I'm not adding any pepper because I really want, when you are eating the chicken, you can taste the seasoning inside the chicken, so that's why I'm steaming it. And so now I'm here blending my sauce. So I'm blending paprika, I'm blending garlic, onions, ginger, hot Madame Chinette pepper, the hot African pepper. So I'm just making my gravy sauce, and whilst I'm making that, I'm also checking on the chicken. So the chicken is ready. Now it's time for me to start frying the chicken. So before I was done with this cooking, the chicken was more or less than what I started with, because you cannot be eating the chicken and then the kids coming in the kitchen asking you, can I taste? And you cannot tell them no whilst you are eating it. So by the time we were done with the cooking, the chicken was were no more to be found. So I put my oil into the pan and I add a little bit of tomato, garlic, sorry, I add a little bit of onions, garlic, ginger into the pan to fry the oil, and then I add my pepper that I just blended. Sometimes I like to steam the pepper mixture before frying it, but today I was like, you know what, let's just fry it. And that's the one thing I love about jollof rice. You can twist the recipe, you can do it whatever way you want to, and it always come out good. So I have added all my ingredients and I've washed my rice. Now I add the rice into the pan. The rice was cooking, so what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to mix everything, add a little bit of water, and then mix everything to steam. Jollof rice is so simple to cook, and that is why I loved it. The kids really loved it because it's such a simple recipe. So here we are done with the jollof rice, and now we are going to sit on the table to eat everything together. So this is it. This was a movie night. I'm just spending time with the family, and I thought, you know what, let's cook something simple, all our favorite food. Let's enjoy the evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.